Hi friends, happy Prayerful Monday and happy Martin Luther King Day. It is a snowy day here in New England and I am coming on live to inspire prayer this week and to say a prayer for Martin Luther King and just to share such gratitude. He inspires me and I love his I have a dream and I have a prayer. He inspired me to say I have a prayer that we all pray together and that we pray for our beautiful selves. First and foremost, that we connect into our beautiful hearts, put our hands on our hearts, take deep breaths, always connecting to our breath and to our beautiful heart. Always, always in the midst of whatever is happening in our life. It's important to remember our head, heart, and hands, our breath, our heart, and our prayer. So I'm just going to invite you to tune in with your hands on your heart. Take a deep breath. Really deep breath. No expectations on yourself. No attachment to an outcome. Just tune in to what your heart is feeling right now. My heart is feeling full. Feeling a little racy. Just going live. Pumps up my adrenaline, which is good. And I've had a lot going on this week in my life and just always turn to prayer, always turn to forgiveness, always turn to understanding, and most of all, gratitude. Gratitude for God in my life, that I can call on God. I also call on Jesus. I call on something much greater than myself in the midst of everything going on. So, thank you, Martin Luther King. God, thank you for him. Thank you for his inspiration that continues to inspire us right now today. I have a dream. His dream still lives today. What a dear soul. And thank you for each one of our dreams. Thank you for helping us reach for those dreams, believe in those dreams, carry them in our heart, and ask for what we need through gratitude and not being attached to an outcome, not having any expectations on ourselves, on what it looks like. Thank you for the love that we are. Thank you for the love that you share with us. May we always share the love that we are from our hearts. May it grow and blossom and bloom, even in the difficult times, even in the moments that just seem like they're never going to end. Help us feel your presence. Thank you for being here. Hi, Tracy. So, calling on God every moment is what is really going to help us stay connected to our beautiful heart and to our beautiful source, to our beautiful higher connection, to the light. So this week, I'm asking you to put your hands on your heart when you find that you are discombobulated, upset, having a hard time, life is happening all around you. Just tune into your heart. Share the little heart emoji with yourself. Visualization is really good. So if you can visualize the red emoji with the white heart, if you have a hard time visualizing, put that in your heart and visualize that the heart is yellow. Maybe it's light, maybe it's gold, maybe it's pink, maybe yours is purple. And share that with yourself. Share that heart and that love in the midst of whatever's going on. And then just say a simple prayer. Say, God, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my heart and for my breath and for the love that I am. So I share that with you this week. Share the love that you are with yourself in any moment that you need it. And we will ask for prayers tomorrow. I love praying like crazy for all of us here. We have 17,000 plus dear people. And I love every one of your beautiful hearts, your beautiful soul, your beautiful spirit. And I continue to pray for you every day. Tuesdays, you can share what you need prayer for. And I'll go live towards the end of the week and share prayers with you. Thank you for being here. Much love on this Martin Luther King Day. Bye-bye. Hi, Monique from Moreno Valley, California. Hello. Thank you for being here.